Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add your Discord link to TikTok. Currently, TikTok doesn't integrate directly with Discord, but there is a workaround in order to get your Discord link on there. You can switch your TikTok account to a business account. Doing so will allow you to add a Discord link to TikTok by placing it in the website field. Let's first start by going to Discord and creating a server invite link that we will use later in TikTok. In Discord, tap on the navigation menu in the upper left-hand corner. Just below the server name, you'll see the invite button. Tap on it to create an invite link. Then, tap on copy link. We will paste this link in our website field of TikTok, and when a user clicks on this, it will let them join our Discord server. Now, let's set up TikTok. First, let's switch our account to a business account. Open the TikTok app and tap on Profile in the lower right-hand corner. Then, tap on the Settings and Privacy menu in the upper right-hand corner. At the top of this menu, you'll see Manage Account. Tap on that. This gives us access to our account information, including the type of account we have, listed under Account Control. Tap on Switch to Business Account. This tells you what switching to a business account allows you to do. Go ahead and tap on Next. Now, you need to choose a category. For ours, we'll select Gaming. Then, we'll tap on Next. Once you tap on Next, it will take you back to your profile page and a window will pop up. Tap on Edit Profile from this window. You'll see a new field on your profile where you can add a website address to your profile. We are going to use Discord as our website. Tap on Add Your Website, and because we've already copied our Discord invite earlier, just tap inside the Add Your Website field and then tap Paste. Once you've done that, tap Save in the upper right-hand corner. And that is how you add your Discord link to TikTok. If this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons. We have more helpful quick tech how-to videos coming your way.